Now, pay attention to this.
NDC for message.
I want to send a message to NDC party.
We are NDC near tier, sir.
So if you belong to NDC, pay attention.
Namun take your serious.
And take what I'm about to say to you seriously.
Mun taking it very, very serious.
Please take it very seriously.
Don't
despise it.
On the 6th, January 6th. But what can I say? 6th January, on the 6th, Muntie NDC.
Now NDC, pay attention. On the 6th of January,
Abaya Monfamo Yafuno and Tuanya fasting 6 to 6. Ushers 6 to 6. NDC on the 6th. Monfamo Yafuno to ho. Monya fasting 6 to 6. NDC. Eno Bibia Opegana ye na Pegana and Koswo. Eno Bibia Odo o my penia ya electino. President elect John Dramani Mahama. 6 to 6 on the 6th.
Now on the 6th of January, I am speaking in my office as a prophet of God. If you're an NDC person, or you love Ghana, or you love the president-elect John Dramani Mahama, on the 6th of January, take this seriously. Fast from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. I'm not going to give the details of it.
Waka said here Rade, Sans Rade Nasemenka. The American if you show if Rade on the 6th.
I'm not going to give the details of it.
NDC fasting 6 to 6.
On the 6th of January, NDC party or sympathizers or lovers.
Enti Ora Asiadun Katia.
And so Mr. Esiedu in Ketia,
Mr. Julius Debra, Julius Debra,
and again Mr. Julius Debra,
and Mr. Elvis Efriye,
and Mr. Elvis Efriye,
and my best friend, my body, Mr. Lawyer Handsome Sami Jemfi, and again. Council Sami Jemfi. Fasting NDC on the 6th
on the 6th of January
6 to 6. Meaning the
Let's fast on the 6th of January 6 to 6. I will not tell why, but please take me very seriously. Listen, I'm a prophet of God.
Mesramo Glorious Chapel for and I'm say
Glorious Chapel
Erade Ekasaya Emma ya kan ya say ya papa John Dramani Mahama na Erade yina mo menti obia mfa na front ho on the 6th Emma ya papa
Glorious
John
Chapel,
Dramani Mahama,
because the word of the Lord came to us concerning John Dramani Mahama. On the 6th, we are all going to join in the fast. 6 to 6.
Intercessors. Prayer tower for on the 6th. Yeah, fasting. Ama ya papa John Dramani Mahama. 6 to 6. Fastings. And upon Osia, yan Fedian and Kayano, Kosia numero nunsia. Bonfasum Janko Trans. Yes, our direction see. Yes, our continue the amano. The autumn for Shisha and Yajuma.
Amen. The plans of the enemy will backfire. It won't come to pass. It won't work.
Fasting 6 to 6.
So we are going to fast 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.